chicken. It's a cauliflower. No, this is basically bread. Yeah, friends, this is bread Manchurian, my one of the most favorite midnight snacks. See, this is like really soft and yummy. I'm gonna eat this. Oh, sorry. Before eating the dish, I'm going to share the recipe with you guys. And whoever watching my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, so as you can get from the name, bread Manchurian is a Manchurian where we are using bread instead of chicken or cauliflower. So here I am using normal sandwich bread, which I have been cut into bite-sized pieces. And also here I have all-purpose flour, some corn flour, of course, tomato ketchup, some ginger paste, salt, pepper, some chili sauce, vinegar, soya sauce, oil. Here I am using soybean oil. You can use olive oil or any kind of oil. And my veggies. Here I have ginger finely chopped, spring onion finely chopped, and capsicum. I'm not using green chili. If you want, you can use green chili. It's up to you. And of course, last but not the least, it's very important, the water. So first of all, we are going to make the batter. Okay, to make the batter, I am going to add half cup of all-purpose flour and 1/4 cup of corn flour. Now I am going to add the salt and pepper. I am using salt as per my taste. I am using half teaspoon amount of pepper. Also half teaspoon amount of ginger paste, and I am going to add water gradually, and I'm just gonna do whisk. Okay, so I'm just going to whisk the batter and prepare it. I am going to add water little by little like this and mix it. Okay, so our batter is ready. As we are gonna make just a thin coat around the bread, so we will make a kind of sort of runny batter. So our batter is ready. Now we are gonna dip the bread and fry them. Okay, now in a medium low heated pan, I'm gonna add the oil. Okay, we are adding generous amount of oil because we are gonna deep fry the breads. After the oil has been heated, I'm gonna dip the bread in the batter and just coated them, and then okay, I am going to dip the breads and add them one by one. Okay, so we are going to fry them until they become this kind of brownish, and then we are gonna put them so like this way we are going to fry all the breads. Okay, now for the sauce, I am going to make a mixture. So for this, I am going to add 1/4 cup of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon amount of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon amount of vinegar, and my favorite one, 1 tablespoon amount of chili sauce. So here I am adding them all. Again, 1/4 teaspoon amount of ginger paste, adding a little bit of more, salt to taste, half teaspoon amount of pepper. Now I am going to mix them all. Now we are just going to mix them all and let it rest for some minutes. Okay, to make the gravy, first of all, in a heated pan, I am going to add 3 tablespoon amount of oil. I am using the oil from the previous portion, I mean from the bread frying. Okay, now in a medium low heat pan, we are gonna wait until our oil become hot. Okay, so it's become hot now. First of all I am going to add the garlic. Okay, now I am going to add my spring onion. I am using only the white portion of the spring onion. Okay, so friends, here you have it, our bread Manchurian. This is like really easy and time consuming, and also like you can make this up with bread, so it's not very costly and convenient, and also like very tasty, perfect dish for our midnight snacks or any kind of snacks. Also, this is like really very much nutritious for school tiffin. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, so give me a thumbs up, and for more this kind of awesome dishes, please subscribe my channel. I'm gonna come to you very soon. Until then, keep fit and bye.